Everyone, Rodrigo here once again for one more Power BI video, and today we're gonna learn together how to increase the usability of our dashboard on Power BI, adding some action buttons. So let's do it together. Guys, here on my Power BI, I will click on this, try a sample data set, because we have to start with a dashboard, okay? Then we're gonna increase adding some buttons that I'm show you how to do it, okay? First of all, there are two ways. I'm gonna load sample data over here. Then Power BI just show me these financials. Let me see this data set. I have unity, manufacturing, sales price, discounts. Okay, this is enough. I'm gonna work with that. Okay, I'm gonna work with this financial. So load, place. Wait a minute. Not a minute, wait just a few seconds. And then okay, we have 700 rows in our data set. Okay, I'm gonna start creating the dashboard, okay? I'm gonna follow the steps that previously I showed you here on our YouTube channel on the video called How to Design a Dashboard from Scratch, okay? Just go in our playlist, Power BI for Beginners, and then you will see how to, all right? So first of all, we have to add a title. So I'm gonna go here, text, and create something related to sales by sales in the year of 2020. I don't know how many dates I have it in my data set. Let me see. First of all, let me see. I'm gonna create something here just to see the years that I have here, okay guys? So please put it this and put it sales. Okay, in the year of 2013. Okay, then increase the font size. Then I will put bold. Okay, perfect. Then after that I have to include some filter over here. So I'm gonna include the filter related to country, which dimensions I have in my data set. Let me see. I have country. I have also this financial, the product. Okay, product is nice. So I'm gonna put product here. So product. Okay, perfect. Then I will put this as a drop down option. Let me try again. To change slicer, select format, slice setting, option is style. Okay, there is a modification in the way that Power BI changed filters. Now I'm gonna go here, put it as drop down. Okay, perfect. So I have the filter of product. Then I need to add some big numbers. So the big numbers will be related to sales. I want to show the sales as a current, so I will put it here. Perfect. And finally, the segmentation of my data. So using, for example, using again products and also sales. And I have the amount for each product. So here I have the filter, here I have the total amount of sales, and here I have the products in each bar. Okay, how much sales I had for each bar. If I click it, there is an interactiveness here, so it's easy to check everything. Just click even here, either here or in the filter. Okay, so there are two options that user can select it. But guys, just go down a little bit. This page will be related to 2013 year. Okay, I'm gonna just duplicate this page, and the second one will be related to the year of 2014. Okay, this I want to work with 2014, not 15, 14, sorry. And this I want to work with 2013. All right, how do I apply this filter here? I can just move on here, just put it here as the filter on this page, and then basic filter, just 2013, perfect. So I have the result for 2013, and I move on to 2014 and do the same. Okay, until now guys, we are doing just designing the dashboard. Okay, we are not increase the usability. Even if you think this is enough for a good usability, as I told you in the previous video, when we created a dashboard from scratch, even if you think this is enough, there is a way to increase even more. All right, so 2013, 2014. Okay, and this interactiveness that user can just explore the total amount of sales for each product, or even check the total of sales related to this year. Look in this number, big number. All right, but then guys, I want to create a vision that represent a portal. Okay, I wanna create some experience to my users that they can just navigate through this page. Seems like a unique screen. Okay, I want to create a unique experience. Okay, navigating through these two screens. How can we create this experience on dashboard? So we can just move on here, insert, and then we're gonna use the buttons, these buttons over here. Okay, I will click once here, and I will select the blank button because I wanna input the information that I want to show to my users. So then Power BI just create this button, this blank button, and from this moment we have just to edit this button, just moving right over here. Then we can change, for example, the shape. Nowadays we have a trend design that is more comfy and more easy to read if we use it rounded borders. Okay, so I'm gonna put this button in a rounded border. So I will move to shape over here in the format. First of all, you have to select the button. Okay, then move right, go to here. Shape will be rectangle, no problem, but I wanna just to create some experience with rounded color. So I'm gonna put it 5 pixels. So this is perfect. Let's see. Okay, this is perfect for me. So I'm gonna work with this. Okay, this is the button that I want. So I will continue to the style. Okay, changing, for example, the state when users don't do anything. For example, in this case, I'm not doing anything. So this means the state of default. Okay, on default states, I wanna just to change, for example, the color of the border. So you have just to moving down a little bit, just scroll down a little bit, click on border, and you can change the color of the border. Okay, I will put it like light gray with light border, like this. That's perfect. And then, okay, let's move on again to style. Then I want to add some text on this button. So I will move to this flag over here and active this flag. Okay, then we are able to introduce some text. Here I will put it 2014 results, for example. Okay, then I can change the font, size, color, style. It's up to you. It's your choice. Okay, in this case I will put in black, not black, I will put in gray, light gray, because user didn't select this. Needs to looks like a button. Okay, so I put it like that. But if you check it here, guys, I have this button like light gray, but I cannot select, I cannot do anything with this button. So I have to continue editing this button to create the full experience. So we have to move on again to style, and then we have to change on hover state and one press state. Okay, hover means the state that when you pass the button, when you move your mouse above this, okay, above this button, okay. This is the hover, and on press means that you click it, okay, when you click it. So I'm moving back here on hover. On hover, I wanna introduce the font in the color white, and then I wanna change, no, I don't wanna change the text is the same, but I wanna change the fill, okay. I will introduce a fill in this button on hover. So I will change the color for black when I hover on this button. So now check it. If you go, you see the color changed. As you can see, it's still gray, okay? Dark gray, but not actually a black color that I selected previously. So I can moving back to style, moving to fill again, and then I can check the transparency over here. That's why I have gray when I hover, right? Because here it's 50% of transparency. I don't think this is a problem. I will just moving a little bit up and include 75 as the transparency, okay. And why I did that, because now I'm gonna change the state of on press. When I click in the button, what is the result that I want to show with to my users, okay. In this case, I will again change the state on press for white, and then the fill, I will just put it like 0 transparency, and the color full black, as dark as possible, okay. So I will put it this without any transparency, and now guys, we have the full experience. When you hover, it's like a gray. Now seems a button, okay, a button that you can click, and once you click, the color change for black. Look at state, default, on hover, on press, okay. This is the experience that I want to show to my users, but then I have to add some navigation, okay, because then once you click it, nothing happened. It's still nothing happened, okay. I need to change this part. How do I change this? Just moving right over here in the format and activating this flag call action, okay. Then I have to moving back to type of action, then I will put page navigation, and over here in the destination we can select it where is the landing page of this button. Will be 2014. Perfect. Now guys, to check on Power BI desktop, you have to hold the control button in your keyboard and then the mouse, okay, to work. So I will hold the control, click it here, and as you can see, we change the page. All right, so once we have it, we change the page, okay. But if you publish this dashboard in your online account, we works only with the mice, okay guys, because online is the right place to share dashboards, okay, to present dashboards. Here is just to develop dashboards, okay. I know a lot of you just use Power BI desktop as your dashboard presentation, but I recommend you to use Power BI online because it's free, as well as this desktop version, and you can increase the experience of presenting the dashboard, okay. So please publish your dashboards in your online account before present for someone else. All right, so now guys, we're gonna just click it here in the button, Ctrl C, just copy, just paste in the second one, and then we can change the text. So in the default state, I have to change for default state, and here I will change the text, okay. 2013 results. Also, I have to do it in the others. Let me see. No, now Power BI applied for everyone. As you can see now, I have 2013 in the page of year 2014 because this button is related to navigating back to 2013. But finally, we have to move on to action. and change the page navigation for 2013. Now you can see I click it, I'll move to sales in the year of 2013. If I click in back, I can move on to the 2014. And now I have a full experience where users just navigate through my page without any break in the experience, okay? This is like a flow with a good experience when users click. Seems like the same page, right? But we created two and we increased the experience of navigating through page using buttons. That's the thing that I would like to share with you today. That's all, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to comment if you have any doubts, and don't forget to share this content for someone else that you think will be useful. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.